Welcome to watch the video from GONSIN Conference Equipment Limited. We will introduce the system installation and function of GONSIN desktop paperless conference system. System installation is the key element for project mounting. Master the connection method is convenient for technicians to build up the system successfully. Above all, let me introduce the construction of GONSIN desktop paperless conference system. It is composed to GONSIN 20X Congress server, desktop paperless data server GX-DX301, coder decoder GX-XMI301AH, switcher network, and with the power function we call Power Hub HUB-P150X. Desktop paperless all-in-one discussion interpretation terminal DCX-2062DI. And then we are going to learn about the main function of desktop all-in-one discussion and interpretation terminal DCX-2062DI. After power on, the terminal will turn on automatically and enter the main interface of paperless terminal. The main interface has multiple function buttons we called conference, sitting, service, draw, message, local final, browser, encode sync. Below the main interface, there are 8 supplementary function buttons. They are respectively simultaneous interpretation, volume, chairman priority button, speaking button, synchronous screen, join synchronous screen, and quick vote, and the last is the return button. Click conference. To enter the conference registration interface, we are able to see the conference name, conference content, the conference topic, the conference finals. We back to the registration step. The chairman terminal can initiate attendance registration. Press registration start. We press OK, and we could see the registration page. We press registration. It will show register success. When the registration is finished, the user of the paperless chairman terminal can press registration end button to end the registration. The terminal will display the general registration result. We could see the supposed number, registration number, absent number. Click close button to return the registration result interface to the paperless terminal operation interface. Paperless chairman terminal entered topic interface from the conference menu. It supports user to control voting topic, evaluation topic, election topic, granting topic. Paperless chairman terminal realizes the voting. User can vote yes, no, abstain. The voting result will be counted and displayed. We press start to enter the voting process. We could see we have 3 options: yes, abstain, no. When the result is not submitted by user could change their voting mind. The final press is the effective. That means we support the final keys voting. When we choose our mind, we press submit. After user click the end button, the paperless chairman terminal will automatically display the voting result interface. After the paperless chairman terminal ends the voting process, it will display the current voting result. Click to others and display the voting result to paperless dedicated terminal. Click the close button at the top right corner to log out the current interface. The paperless terminal could check the conference final in the finals button. We could see the final in the data server. The final is uploaded before the meeting from the operator to upload to the data server, we could see we have two finals here. We could click one of it to check the final. Now we could support Word, PPT, PDF finals. When we choose the final we want to check, we could press Open button to check the finals. After presentation, we could back to the conference menu. Click Setting. We could see the whole setting of the conference venue. Click the speaking parameter. We could select the speaking mode, number of the speaking list, and the speaking time. We press the speaking mode. We could see who is speaking and the list of the applicants. Click the registration control. We could click the action button to allow the participant to supplementary register or cancel the registration. Click the service. We allow the user to send water, tea, coffee, and different service information to the background. The staff will send the corresponding service in according to the message displayed on call service terminal. We click Draw. Enter the drawing interface. From the top left to top right, there are green New Canvas buttons and Save button, which will save the drawing into the local finals. We could choose the color button to choose different colors. We have night and vertical to choose. We could allow the user to draw in different ways. What is more, the line thickness is adjustable from here. We could try to say a word from here. Then we could save to the finals. Or we could clear and make a new page from here. Okay. Click the message. Enter the message interface in which user can check and receive the message. Click Group Message to send the message to all other delegate terminals. Click Online to select the individual terminal to receive or send the message from here. Click Local Final to choose the final, and then we can check, edit, and save the final. This function it could use to read the final from the USB stick, memory stick. Click the browsers. We can enter the web page to search or check the information from the internet. The encode sync. We can choose the encoder and click the synchronous screen, which is mainly to receiving external signal and synchronize it to each terminal. Now we could see it's seeing the external video from my laptop. We could minimize the window or close the windows. Finally, we will introduce the button below the main screen. We could be back to the main page. We have a simultaneous interpretation function. We press the button and we could choose the correspondence channel to listen the interpretation. Volume. It is allow user to adjust the built-in speaker from 0 to 8 level, and the mild sensitive from 0 to 6. And this is the chairman priority button to turn off the delegate's mic. And this is the speaking button. Press it and the mic is on. And then the user can speak. Synchronous screen to invite others to watch the user's share screen. Joint synchronous screen with joint share screen after the user drop out. Quick vote allow user to initiate voting, evaluation, and granting. We press vote. We make a name, topic name. Click voting. After we edit the name, we press confirm. And we could see the quick voting name, and we could choose our option. And be attention, this is a little different from the conference topic, voting topic. The quick voting only support the first key press voting. That means we can't, when after we press the key, we can't change our mind. We press yes, and the chairman's terminal could see how many terminal has pressed and unpressed. After the chairman terminals press end, the voting is done, and the result will be automatically displayed. We press close to back to the main page.